My name is Amy Prihoda. I'm the president of Professional Cleaning and Restoration Systems. One thing that I think the industry is missing in making safer product choices is removing the misinformation in our industry. There's a lot of products out there that are available for consumers and businesses to purchase, and you don't really know exactly what's in the product, how to use the product properly, the health effects that that product could have for you, and really what changes it could be making in the environment. As an industry, I think in order to promote healthful and sustainable cleaning practices, we really need to first establish best practices for our industry and then create training programs that address all of the ways that people learn: classroom training, practical exercise, even in the field training. Everybody learns a little bit differently, and the way that one person learns isn't always necessarily the same as someone else. We experience it in our own company that some of my folks do really good taking industry exams and others really struggle with it, and they need additional training tools in order to be able to really understand and be successful in getting their certifications.